Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called SE Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Most of you know that I am redesigning my bedroom. So today is the day that I'm going to get my new bed set up. I purchased it from Vant Panels. I also purchased some panels for the headboard, but I won't be doing that process today because I am waiting on my new furniture to arrive. So in this video, I'm just basically going to be cleaning and prepping the old bedroom set for the buyer to pick it up and setting up my new bed. So if you're interested in my journey on redesigning my bedroom, please feel free to subscribe and keep watching. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I have pretty much had to switch gears very quickly. Here is my brother. He has came over to take the old bed down and put the new bed up. He's one of those type of people that does not like his time to be wasted. So when he came in the door, he pretty much wanted to know what did I need him to do, and he was ready to start doing it. So I had to go ahead and quickly prepare for him to start taking the old bed down. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I do plan to get the carpet clean before the new bedroom furniture arrives, but I'm just going to go ahead and sweep the floor, and I'm also going to use my wet dry bucket head that I purchased from Home Depot. I love this wet dry vac because you can use it for multiple uses such as indoor and outdoor. I use it to clean the patio off. It comes as just a bucket head with the suction hose, and you have to buy the bucket separately from Home Depot, which is probably about $3. And I believe the actual bucket head system is about $25, but it's great for cleanups such as this one. Okay, lifestyle lovers, my brother is almost done putting the bed together. I did not catch any of the audio because he pretty much likes to listen to music while he works. So we were in here listening to some Anthony Hamilton, so I didn't want to get any copyright strikes. But he pretty much said that this was the most easiest bed that he has put together. And he has worked both for a moving company and a furniture company. So although I did not take any participation in putting the bed together, he did mention that it was very simple process. Okay, lifestyle lovers, do not laugh at me because I have never had a platform bed before. So once me and my brother placed down our box springs and the mattress, I was so excited of how unbelievably high the bed was. And I jumped on it and I was like, oh, it's going to be so high. I love it. And then when my brother mentioned that I would have to lean down to put a drink on the nightstand, I quickly realized, no, something's wrong. This can't be right. So when I look back at the directions, it clearly said the only thing that you need is your mattress. So I did not need box springs for this bed, and I wasn't aware of that, which is completely fine. So once we came to that realization, we removed the box springs and just replaced it with just the mattress. I want to take this opportunity to give a huge shout out to my brother. I thank him so much. He came over here, he helped me break all the furniture down, helped me shrink wrap it, and he put everything in the garage for the buyer to pick it up. And he does watch my channel. He does support his big sister. So I'm quite sure he's watching. And if you're watching, thank you so much. I love you. And if any of you single ladies were wondering, my brother is also single. At least he was the last time I checked. So I just thought that I would put that out there because he is so awesome. And here is my bed, lifestyle lovers. I love it. It's so sleek. I can't remember the color, but I will link it in the description box. But I love it. I mean, it's nothing like anything that I've ever had before because I've always had a bed that was elevated from the floor. So this is actually my first time having a platform bed that sits directly on the floor. But I love it. I love it. And I can't wait for everything to come together. Over here, lifestyle lovers, I have the decorative wall panels, which I am going to be using as my headboard. And the layout that I'm going to be using is this one right here. It's actually the combination panel layout. It's about 138 inches wide and 46 inches high. But I pretty much want to wait until I receive my nightstands before I get the panels put up because I want them to pretty much seem like they're coming out of the nightstands. I want it to look like a very seamless look, and I don't want to simply go by measurements because, of course, that can always be off. So I know it will be exactly how I want it if I wait until the furniture arrives. But I thank you for coming back for another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to follow me on this redesigning journey of my bedroom. And I'll see you on the next video, lifestyle lovers. Have a great day.